Bay windows are often chosen for their visual appeal and ability to create bright, inviting living spaces. However, modern bay windows offer more than just aesthetic benefits. They can also significantly improve a home's energy efficiency when designed and installed correctly. For homeowners in Eagle, energy-efficient bay windows provide a smart combination of comfort, performance, and long-term savings. How bay windows influence energy performance. Because bay windows extend outward from the home, they may seem like a potential source of energy loss. In reality, modern bay windows are engineered with advanced insulation, high-performance glass, and precise sealing that enhance overall energy efficiency. In Eagle homes, properly installed bay windows help regulate indoor temperatures while allowing homeowners to enjoy expanded views and natural light. Insulated glass that reduces heat transfer. One of the primary energy-saving features of modern bay windows is insulated glass. Multi-pane glass systems create a thermal barrier that reduces heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. For Eagle homeowners, this means keeping indoor spaces cooler during warmer months and warmer when temperatures drop, without overworking heating or cooling systems. Enhanced frame insulation. For better sealing, bay windows use reinforced frames designed to support multiple window panels. These frames are built with insulation materials that reduce air leakage and improve thermal performance. In Eagle homes, well-insulated frames help eliminate drafts and maintain consistent indoor temperatures near the window area. Improved natural light without energy loss. Bay windows are known for bringing in abundant natural light, which can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Modern energy-efficient glass allows light to enter while blocking excess heat and harmful ultraviolet rays. For Eagle homeowners, this balance supports energy savings while protecting interior furnishings from sun damage. Tight seals that prevent drafts. Proper sealing is essential for energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are designed with advanced weather stripping and installation techniques that prevent air infiltration. In Eagle homes, tight seals around bay windows help maintain comfortable indoor conditions and reduce energy waste. Reduced heating and cooling costs over time. By limiting heat transfer and air leakage, energy-efficient bay windows reduce the workload on heating and cooling systems. This leads to lower utility bills and improved system efficiency. For Eagle homeowners, these savings accumulate over time, making bay windows a cost-effective investment. Better temperature balance in living spaces. Older windows often create hot or cold spots in rooms. Energy-efficient bay windows help distribute temperatures more evenly by maintaining a stable indoor environment near the window area. In Eagle homes, this improved comfort enhances daily living and makes rooms more enjoyable year-round. Professional installation maximizes efficiency. Even the most energy-efficient bay window requires proper installation to perform well. Professional installers ensure accurate measurements, proper insulation, and secure sealing. For Eagle homeowners, expert installation ensures bay windows deliver their full energy-saving potential. Long-term value. For Eagle homes, energy-efficient bay windows add lasting value by improving comfort, reducing energy costs, and enhancing home appeal. Their combination of performance and design makes them a smart upgrade. A smart energy-efficient choice. For Eagle, bay windows offer more than beauty. They provide meaningful energy efficiency benefits when designed and installed properly. From improved insulation and reduced drafts to better natural light and lower energy bills, energy-efficient bay windows help Eagle homeowners enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and valuable home for years to come.